Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, today I have some very good news for you, and that is that I'm going to start a small series bi'idhnillahi ta'ala that will help you if you are at the beginning of your Arabic journey. This is for beginners, and it is going to be a short course on the bare essentials that you need in Nahw and Sarf. So in grammar and in morphology, to build basic sentences and to play around with the vocabulary that you have learned or will be learning. If you're going to be studying the series Al-Arabiyyatu Bayna Yadayk, this course is essential for you. If you learn and follow this course and memorize what is within it, I assure you that the benefit that you will take from the series will be far greater than if you do not study this series. And it will be short and easy, but it just requires a little bit of effort. Today we're going to start with pronouns. And the reason we're going to start with pronouns is because over the next few lessons I'll be doing morphology, and it will be built upon this lesson. I need you to learn these pronouns in the order that I'll be going through them today, and bi'idhnillahi ta'ala there'll be a link in the description or in the comments, and if you fill it out we'll send you a document that will help you to memorize what's within this lesson. So let's get going. First we're going to take I in the Arabic language is ana. Then we'll take we. So we is for a group, obviously we, nahnu. So next we'll move on to you. Starting with you, for one male it's anta. So if there's one man in front of you or one boy, you'd say anta. As for if it was a girl or a woman, you would say anti. As for two people, you would say antuma. And that's whether it's one man or one woman, two mans or two women. It doesn't change based upon the gender. As for a group of men, you would say antum. So for a group of men, you would say antum. Here comes in a question whereby what would you do if there's a group of people that was mixed? So there's some men and some women, we would still use antum. Even if there's only one man amongst a million women, we would use antum. In the Arabic language, the preference is given to the male. So the pronoun used is antum. As for a group of females, we would say antunna. So all of these, anta, anti, antuma, antum, and antunna, all of them mean you, but the difference is in the number of people and also the gender. That's where the difference comes in. Moving on to he, it is huwa. Huwa is he. As for them or they, it is huma. Huma, that's for two people, and it doesn't matter whether they are male or female. So we use huma for they or them for two people, and hum is similar to antum, but this one means they or them. So it is used for a group of men or a mixed group, whether it's men and women or just one male amongst a large group of women, we would still use hum. Moving on to she, it's hiya. Hiya means she. Huma, I'm repeating huma here for a specific reason, and I want you to memorize it in this order, but there's no difference between the two humas. They both mean they or them for two people, whether they're masculine or feminine. You'll see why I'm doing this when you come to the verbs, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, in the upcoming lessons. And then how do we say they for a group of people who are only feminine, only women? It would be hunna. So there's there's ana, I, nahnu, we, anta, you for one male, anti, you for one female, antuma for two people, meaning you, antum for a group of males or for a mixed group, antunna for a group of females. Huwa for he, huma for they or them for two people, irrespective of gender, hum for a mixed group or a group of men, and then you've got hiya for she, huma for two men, that's they or them, or two females, or one man and one woman, it doesn't matter about the gender. And we have hunna for a group of females. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below, and bi'idhnillahi ta'ala we'll respond as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next video bi'idhnillah. Please stay tuned, as this series is essential for you if you are at the beginning of your journey, or if you're going to go on to study a series like Al-Arabiyyatu Bayna Yadayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.